Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Trust Wallet network. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Navigate to the main wallet screen where your various crypto assets are displayed. Identify the specific cryptocurrency you wish to interact with, as network selection is often tied to the asset itself. This process ensures you're always on the right blockchain for your transactions, preventing potential loss or delays. Once you've selected your cryptocurrency, you'll typically see options related to sending, receiving, or viewing details. For many tokens, especially those on multiple chains like Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum, the network selection happens automatically when you choose the token. However, for some, you might need to manually select the network from a drop-down or settings menu. Always double-check the chosen network before confirming any transaction to avoid errors. Sometimes, you might encounter issues like transactions not going through or balances not updating. First, ensure your internet connection is robust. A weak signal can cause problems. Next, always keep your Trust Wallet application updated to its newest version, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. If issues persist, try clearing the app's cache through your phone settings, which can resolve minor glitches. To recap, changing your Trust Wallet network is crucial for managing diverse crypto assets. Always confirm the network before any transaction to prevent asset loss. Consider performing a small test transaction when using a new network or address for the first time. This simple step can save you from significant headaches. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.